Have you ever wondered how a fan coil unit, or FCU, cools and heats a room? Although an FCU looks much simpler than an air handling unit, it is one of the most commonly used HVAC systems in hotels, apartments, hospitals, offices, and residential buildings. In this video, you'll learn the complete working principle of an FCU, including its components, airflow process, chilled water flow, control valve operation, thermostat control, heating mode, and common applications. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand how an FCU keeps indoor spaces comfortable while operating efficiently. Let's get started. What is an FCU? A fan coil unit, FCU, is a terminal HVAC unit designed to cool or heat a single room or a small zone. Unlike an air handling unit, which serves multiple spaces, an FCU provides localized temperature control. An FCU does not usually introduce fresh outdoor air. Instead, it recirculates indoor air through a filter and coil. In many commercial buildings, fresh air is supplied separately by a fresh air handling unit, FAHU, or a dedicated outdoor air system, DOAS. Main components of an FCU. A typical FCU consists of return air grill, air filter, centrifugal fan, cooling coil, heating coil optional, chilled water control valve, condensate drain pan, drain pipe, thermostat, fan motor, electrical control box, supply air outlet. Each component plays a specific role in delivering conditioned air. FCU working principle. Let's follow the airflow step by step. Step 1. Return air. Room air enters the FCU through the return air grill. This air may contain dust and small airborne particles. Step 2. Air filter. The air first passes through the filter. The filter removes dust, hair, lint, pollen. This protects the cooling coil and improves indoor air quality. Step 3. Fan. Next, the centrifugal fan draws the filtered air into the unit. The fan creates the airflow required for heat transfer across the coil. Fan speed may be low, medium, high, variable speed, EC motor. Step 4. Cooling coil. The air then passes through the chilled water cooling coil. Cold water from the chiller enters the coil at approximately 6 to 7 degrees Celsius. As warm room air passes over the coil, heat transfers from the air to the chilled water. The air temperature decreases, and moisture condenses on the coil surface. This process provides both sensible cooling and dehumidification. Step 5. Condensate drain. As humidity is removed, water droplets collect in the drain pan beneath the coil. The condensate then flows through the drain pipe to the building drainage system. A properly installed drain trap prevents air leakage and ensures smooth drainage. Step 6. Supply air. Finally, the cooled and dehumidified air is delivered back into the room through the supply air diffuser. The cycle continues until the desired room temperature is achieved. Chilled water flow. Now let's examine the chilled water circuit. Cold water leaves the chiller and flows through insulated chilled water pipes to the FCU. Before entering the cooling coil, the water passes through a control valve, which regulates the water flow. After absorbing heat from the room air, the warmer chilled water returns to the chiller to be cooled again. This closed-loop process operates continuously during cooling mode. Typical temperature ranges are as follows: 6 to 7 degrees Celsius for chilled water supply, 12 to 14 degrees Celsius for chilled water return. How the control valve works. The chilled water control valve adjusts the amount of chilled water flowing through the cooling coil. When the room temperature rises above the thermostat setpoint, the thermostat sends a signal to open the valve. More chilled water flows through the coil, increasing cooling capacity. As the room reaches the desired temperature, the valve gradually closes to reduce cooling and save energy. Modern FCUs often use two-way motorized valves with modulating actuators for precise temperature control. Thermostat operation. The thermostat continuously measures room temperature. If the room becomes too warm, the control valve opens. The fan operates at the selected speed. Cooling increases. When the room reaches the set temperature, the control valve closes or modulates. The fan may continue running or cycle off, depending on the control strategy. This automatic control maintains a comfortable indoor environment while minimizing energy consumption. Applications of FCUs. FCUs are widely used in hotels, apartments, condominiums, hospitals, office buildings, residential towers. They are ideal for buildings where each room requires independent temperature control. The working principle of an FCU is simple yet highly effective. Room air is filtered, moved by a fan, cooled or heated through a coil, and then supplied back to the space. A thermostat and control valve work together to regulate the chilled water flow, ensuring comfort while reducing energy consumption. Understanding this process is essential for HVAC technicians, MEP engineers, engineering students, and facility managers. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow engineers. Let us know in the comments, have you worked on an FCU system before?